Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today, it's March the 6th, 2022. Disney has a buy rating with a $200 price target. Well, you guys can see that I'm going to give you my expectations as to where I think price is going to go without the confusion. So welcome. This is what I do. HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. We give you all the news according to the price charts and don't focus on anything else. Yes, this is simple. This is easy. You guys can tell from Disney perspective, I've been playing the weakness into the market for this stock, and from out the gate, price is going up. Now, before I show you what I'm still expecting the market to do, join the team. Hit the like button, see the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap the bell notification as well, because we're going to keep it real. We're going to keep it 100. We're going to be honest with you and our assessment as to where we suspect the market is trying to go. Thank you to all of our day ones, the ones who believe the content that I am creating, because I want to show you all day in and day out that you can actually predict price movement without all of that fluff, with all of those complexities that so many people think you're supposed to have. Check this out. I did a video in Disney on the 24th of January. You guys can still see it. Yeah, the video is still available. I'm not hiding. I'm being fully transparent in my predictions because a lot of people try to get you to think that you can't do this. Well, contrary to popular belief, you can. So I was playing the weakness into the market at Disney. Let me zoom in on the chart. All right. Now, check this out. I did it right here. Okay, the 24th. Market started out weak. Price came down to 130. Look at that. So I told you all that I was looking for the market to possibly come down to $130, maybe a little bit lower, like 128. And it did the day that the market opened on that trading week, but it wasn't long. That's where the buyers came in, right? This is where the buyers showed up. All of this is indicative of the market trying to uphold the selling. The buyers did a fantastic job on these trading days right here. Let's keep it real. This is where they appeared. If you guys saw these days just like this consolidating and the market refused to go down, this is your dead giveaway that you need to buy the market. I'm going to show you the footprints of these market participants. They give you the answers. These days, starting right here on the 24th, the 25th, the 26th, the 27th, and then the 28th, the market refused to go down. That is why price in Disney has gone up since then. Now, check this out. Okay, check this out. I told you that as long as price in Disney stays below like $150, $155, that we're still going to play the weakness into the market. You guys can see it, that we hovered around that location, right? The sellers still appeared into the market in Disney right there around where I said it was going to be. And people say that you cannot time the market. I was telling you all back here, January, that we can see the sellers appear up here, and that is precisely where they came in at. So ask yourself the question, are we still weak into the market in Disney? Yes, we are. Even though the Wall Street analysts may have a price target of $200, but that's usually done on a 12-month basis. On a smaller time frame, the market is still reflecting some weakness here in Disney. Okay, we're still seeing it. Now, let me show you that even though this market may continue to go up and hit $200 in the next 12 months, that is not the current trend. When you see what these recommendations are from Wall Street analysts, you got to understand that's from 12 months. It doesn't mean that the current market is a buy. Keep it real. This stock in Disney is trending down right now. So is this a buying opportunity? Not from my perspective. No. Even though the Wall Street analysts suspect that price will eventually hit $200 in the next 12 months, we're not trending higher yet. Until we see a reversal of this downtrend to start to go up, then we'll start to say, yeah, we're now placing that $200 price target on the chart, but we're not seeing that right now. Look at this. So this is Disney on a 3-weekly time frame, right? And basically what we have here is the market getting rejected up here. So what I should have done on my last video in Disney, I should have increased our restriction area up here towards like 157. That is where the sellers really came in rather than where I originally had it at 153. All right, so I'm gonna bring it up there. That's where the restriction level has been confirmed, definitely by the sellers right now. Okay, now we found the buyers though, right? The buyers still appeared into the market in Disney. So even though the price in Disney is still anticipated to go down, let me calm your fears. I don't see price really crashing. I don't see price in Disney plummeting. Not right now. But I still see weakness. I got to keep it a buck. I got to keep it 100. But how weak? Well, seeing how the market in Disney came here and held support, maybe about 130. Yeah. Maybe around 135. So on this video, I'm looking at price still in Disney to go down. I'm looking at 135 to 130 though first. If the buyers still approach the market in Disney at these levels, guess what? It's telling you that they're buying the market at 135, 130, and you might need to join in with them. If we break to the downside 130, then I'm still holding 120 as the next area of support, or to where I'm looking for the buyers to approach. So literally, I'm still holding on to my original price prediction, but I'm here to give you different price targets. 135, 130 is that first area. Definitely 130. Okay. If the market holds that, we're golden. We know that they're there. We know that the buyers are trying to accumulate as much Disney stock as possible because they're looking forward to hit that $200. Like if Wall Street is recommending a buy rating on Disney, they'll put their money where their mouth is. If you don't see it on a chart, you don't believe the recommendation. You don't believe the price target of $200. Until we see the proof, the chart is the proof. Whether or not Wall Street is really believing their own recommendation. So far, we haven't seen it yet. We're still looking around 135 to 130 as our price target. Second area is going to be around 120. I'm not changing it yet. I still suspect that we got a little bit of weakness here into the market in Disney, and I definitely paying attention to 130. Now, I'm done. Real quick, the comment section is open. I want you all to tell me, has anything changed in your ideas? Do you still think that Disney is a buy right now? Or do you still think we got a little bit lower to go? I still think we got a little bit lower to go. Like I said, I'm not looking for a crash. I'm not looking for the stock to plummet, but I still suspect we got some weakness here to go through. We saw the initial stages of the buyers coming in at 130. They need to hold that. If they hold it a second time, then they're showing us where their beliefs are at 130. So let's keep a lookout. All right. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.